Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by making a chew-style churro dough. In a medium saucepan, bring 1 cup water, 1/2 cup butter, 113 g, 1 tablespoon sugar, and 1/4 teaspoon salt to a rolling boil. Once boiling, remove from heat and add 1 cup all-purpose flour all at once. Stir vigorously until the mixture pulls away from the pan and forms a smooth ball. Let cool for 5 minutes. Then beat in 3 whole eggs one at a time until the batter becomes glossy and pipeable. Rest the dough 10 minutes at room temperature to relax gluten and stabilize for piping. Heat a heavy pot with neutral oil to 350 degrees F, 175 degrees C, and keep a candy thermometer clipped to the side for consistent temperature. Too cool and churros absorb oil, too hot and they burn. Fit a pastry bag with a large star tip, fill with dough, and pipe 3-inch strips directly into the oil, cutting with scissors. Fry 2 to 3 minutes per side until deeply golden and puffed. Remove to a paper towel-lined tray for 1 minute. Then immediately roll each churro in a bowl with 1/2 cup sugar and 2 teaspoons cinnamon to coat while still warm. To make churro shorts, either split each warm churro lengthwise to create a pocket or slice piped churros into 1/2-inch rounds and stack them as short cakes. The goal is a handheld sandwich shape. Spoon or pipe 1/2 cup dulce de leche across the split or between rounds, add 1 cup lightly sweetened whipped cream, and gently press to seal. Chill assembled churros shorts 30 minutes to set the filling. If you prefer warm, return them to a 350 degrees F oven for 2 minutes to refresh the exterior crispness. Then serve immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.